Greetings, everyone. This is Gail Macinda with History Quick, and we're back for another talk about spinning and spinning wheels. You know, in our other discussions, we talked about the importance of a spinning wheel and how it was used in history. And I was really intrigued by it. I thought it'd be really cool if I could learn how to spin too, but I don't have a spinning wheel. And you may not have a spinning wheel either. But I'm happy to report that we know somebody who can show us a way to get around that. And that's Hollie Grauel. And she's back with us today to talk about a drop spindle. So, Hollie, please demonstrate this for us and show us how we can get involved in this wonderful world of spinning.
Sure, it's really easy. These were used before the invention of the spinning wheel. And a lot of people, even in modern times, they prefer to use a drop spindle instead of a wheel. It is very relaxing. It's kind of trying at first, but this one in particular, you can make one very easy. This is just a dowel and then like a little hook on it, like from the hardware store. And just anything that is like kind of round or disc shaped that has a little weight to it. This is like a piece off of a puzzle, child's puzzle.
Okay.
My husband drilled a hole in it, and I'll show you how it works.
Okay.
It has the hook on it, and I have some wool here, but you can use, like, if you don't have wool, you can use like a cotton ball and just kind of, undo it.
Oh, fantastic. Because I don't have wool in my house, but I got cotton balls.
Yeah. So you take whatever you're using and you kind of start it, hook it on the hook, and then just kind of twist it yourself. So you kind of get it going. And see right there, that's not going to pull apart. That is twisted yarn. That has enough strength where I can go like that and it's not gonna drop. So I kind of get a little bit going. And I believe they call them drop spindles because you're gonna drop. It drops as you spin. I'm gonna put the fiber up on my arm, and then I twirl it. The weight on it keeps it going, and then I just keep going.
So every once in a while, you just give it a little bit of a spin on.
Yeah. Try to grab it so that untwisted part is above your thumb. Otherwise, it will fall on the floor. Hey, so just kind of try to keep the yarn.
So the untwisted part is,
because if you let go, I got quite a bit of twist in that. But if you let go at some point, it'll fall because the twisted part isn't.
Okay.
But just pick it back up and you can rejoin it.
So you hang on to it at the point between what is twisted and what is not yet twisted.
Right. It's kind of like I showed you on the wheel. You kind of try to keep the untwisted part above your thumb.
Got it.
That way, then you just kind of pull it out and as you move your thumb up, the twist is following it and it's twisting it. And then you can unhook it. Kind of twirl it up in the same direction that you spun it, so you're not undoing it. And then you just kind of hook it on the hook.
So the stick becomes a bobbin for you.
Yeah, exactly. Yep. And if you're doing a lot, you'll get a really big, huge thing of yarn on it. And then just like the spinning wheel, when you get two of them full, then you're going to apply it with another spindle, or you can take them off here somehow and just kind of go with it. So yes, you don't need a wheel to spin yarn. You can do it totally fine with something you can make on your own.
This is fantastic. Now, is the cotton fiber going to be more difficult to use than something like the wool? Or something?
Yeah, the wool is easy. Like alpaca's easy. The cotton, you have to maybe make it twist up a lot more than you would wool. Just let it keep twisting until it's not going to fall apart, and then you can move your thumb up, and then just keep twisting it.
Or if you want practice, we can feel that then.
Yeah, and if you want and you don't want to do the drop spindle, you can just roll a dowel without the weight on it. Just roll it on your flap and then just pick it up and just keep going in the same direction, and it's the same
Okay.
effect. You know, you don't even have to do that.
Excellent. I am really anxious to try this. This looks like an awful lot of fun. I think it's going to be great. Gives us a
It is.
chance. Now, this would take a lot longer than using a spinning wheel, wouldn't it? To get the same.
Yeah, it takes a lot longer. It doesn't hold as much. But you kind of feel a little bit more connected with it, you know, because you spent so much time with it. So whatever you make is going to mean something special to you because you spent
I
so much time
understand.
on it.
This is wonderful. Thank you so much, Holly, for showing
You
this.
bet.
This is going to be a great project. Okay, everybody, I hope that you try this at home too. Send me some pictures of what your projects look like. I know that Holly and I would both really like to see them. Okay, guys, bye for this time.